little man is sleeping, so I decided I'd come outside and do the video today. So, I'll apologize right off the top for the noise. In my backyard, there's noise. I'm sure you've heard the news by now. What news, you say? The news that really chaps my ass. Sorry for the abrasive language, but this new lending law that the government, aka the Biden administration, has come out with is just ridiculous.
Joe Biden has a new way to screw you over, and it's all in the name of equity. If you're saving up to buy a new home, the president is going to make you pay for someone else's too. His administration is rolling out a new plan that punishes people who have good credit.
Penalized. For all you people that have good credit, guess what? Now you all get penalized for having good credit. That's right, under this new scheme put out by the Biden administration. Yeah. That's because Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac are now pricing up loans for those that have high credit scores and are putting substantial money down. Yes, starts May 1st, which is actually the day that I'm recording this. Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac, aka the government. And that's because they're still under receivership from the government, and they shouldn't be. Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac are making money hand over fist. But back in 2008, when we had the banking crisis, the government took them over. So Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac have now come up with a new loan level price up matrix. It's something that the underwriters do behind the scenes, but essentially it just increases your interest rate. That's right, if you have a credit score of 680 or above, you're gonna get penalized. Nice. Last time I checked, being responsible, paying your bills on time, being a good little citizen normally was a good thing. But not today. In today's screwed up world, what's good is bad. What's bad is good. I mean, people can't even figure out which bathroom to go into these days.
You are rewarded for a low credit score and you penalize for a good credit. It's kind of like putting the world ass backwards in a sense, excuse my language.
I mean, talk about angering the American population, at least the good credit ones. I mean, did we not learn anything from 2008?
From 2008, I was the press secretary then. I still have the tire marks on my back, trying to explain what a credit default swap was. And it's really hard to believe that this is happening again.
Yeah.
Back in 2008, and I lived through that situation, banks were lending money to people who really didn't deserve the loans. Low credit scores, not enough money down, and now we're going to reward those people again. Essentially what Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac are doing are they are pricing up loans higher for those with better credit scores and even higher for putting more money down, with applicants who place 15 to 20% down experiencing the biggest increase in fees. Now if that doesn't just chap your rear end, I mean, I'm speechless over this. In addition to that, they are now lowering, that's right, they are lowering the rate increase for those with lower credit scores and less money down, higher debt to income. So, bang the people with the good credit and reduce the cost of credit to less worthy borrowers.
His administration is rolling out a new plan that punishes people who have good credit. In many cases, they will now have to pay $40 more per month in order to subsidize loans for higher risk borrowers. Industry experts warn it will backfire.
Now, $40 doesn't seem like a whole lot. However, it's $480 a year, and quite frankly, it's just wrong. What is the incentive to pay your bills on time if you get penalized for it? This is just another scheme from our government, like the student loan scheme. So straight from the Federal Housing Administration, Sandra L. Thompson called it another step to ensure that Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac advance their mission to facilitating equitable and sustainable access to home ownership. Yeah. I'm not going to say much more about that, but I think you can see the look on my face, exactly how I feel about it. I'd like to know, how do you feel about it? Do you think this is fair? I would so love to hear your thoughts. So make sure, if you're on your PC or your phone, make some comments below. I'd love to hear how you feel about it.
This one was sneaky, very sneaky. All of a sudden this is happening, people are going to be very angry about it. It's not that you haven't heard the end of it.
Well, now that I'm done blowing off some steam, I'm gonna think about what my next video is going to be about. Hopefully it doesn't get my blood pressure up like this one did. Have to self-medicate. Have a glass of wine. On to the next one. And if I haven't told you how much I appreciate you being here, I do. So enjoy having you as part of my YouTube family. If you haven't subscribed, don't forget to do so. And I hope to see you on my next video. I'm Lisa.Ammons. Take care. I don't know what it is. Every time I come out in this backyard and I have a camera in my hand, every motorcycle, every car without a muffler, and that freaking train. Every time.